So hello, welcome to my channel The Old School. So in this particular video I am going to talk about something very special about IACS, aka Indian Association for the Cultivation of Science. First of all, IACS is one of the most iconic and prestigious institutions of India. It is basically famous for its research facilities in basic science. Its NIRF ranking is always under 20, and it is also one of the most oldest institutions of India, which has been established on 1876 by Mahendralal Sarkar. It has also played a massive role in the independence movement of India, and there are only one campus of IACS in all over India, which is at Jadavpur, West Bengal. I will provide the Google Map link in the description. You can check it from there. Now, if you just search IACS on the Google, the first link you have to click on it, and it will redirect you to the official website of IACS. And if you just scroll a little bit down on the academic notice board, you will have seen that the notice admission to the integrated bachelor's master program in science and master's integrated master's PhD program in science 2023. It is basically the notification of admission for 2023 session in IACS. So for the 2023 session, IACS is offering two courses. One is Bachelor's Master's course, which is for the students who just given their class 12 board exam, and other is Integrated PhD course, which will give you the Master's and PhD degree after the end of the session, which is for the students who will be graduating this year. If you just click on the link, it will redirect you to another page, and here you will see all the tentative dates for the application. The online application has been started from 1st of the April, and the portal will be live till April 20. There will be two level exam. One is CBT, computer based test, and after the qualification of the CBT, the qualified students has been asked for a interview session at IACS campus, and after qualifying the interview session you will be eligible to get admission in IACS. For the entrance exam of BS-MS course, the syllabus will be same as JEE exam, and for integrated PhD course, the syllabus will be same as IIT JAM entrance exam. And as IACS didn't disclose their entrance exam paper, you will not be able to find any previous year's question of this exam. Now for the application, you just have to click on the online application new registration, and it will redirect you to another page. Here you have to fill all the details which they have asked, and after the registration they will send the application ID and password at your mobile via SMS. You can use that application ID and password to log in here again, and you have to upload two things. One is your photograph and one is your signature. The dimension of your photograph must be passport size, and the background of your photo must be white. And the examination fees for this entrance exam is 1200. Now let's just have a sneak peek on the question pattern. For this you just have to click on the detailed advertisement. In case of BSMS course entrance exam, there will be 60 questions. 15 15 15 is compulsory, which is from physics, chemistry and mathematics, and the last for the last 15 questions there will be an option either biology or computer science. Student have to fill the option while filling their form. And for integrated PhD course there is no such pattern has been mentioned here, but for integrated PhD course there is a very good amount of stipend which has been offering to the students, and it is 12,000 per month. It is fixed for first 2 years, and afterwards you have to get a certain amount of marks to eligible for the stipend. And now you can just pause the video and just look closely to the fee structure of BSMS course. And here is the fee structure of integrated PhD program. And if you have any other query, don't hesitate to ask me on the comment section. I will try to reply each and every one. And that's all for today. See you. Have a good day.